See, on top is nothing one, all controlled by freezer. Oh, but the fan no working. That's why I cannot bring the cold air come out. This motor need to change. Yeah, you stand here.
Okay.
You can see the motor no running.
Yeah.
Behind compressor is running. You can hear the sound.
Yeah.
By right, we close this door. You must running.
Yeah, but it's not running, right?
Unless the behind compressor stop, then he follow stop.
Okay.
Now compressor running, this one no running.
Okay.
That means confirm this motor problem. This motor need to change.
Okay.
This motor need to change. Because this motor and the behind compressor is same line.
Yeah.
Same line. When he working, he running. Okay, yeah. But he stop, he follow stop. But now this one running, this one no running. You can see.
Yeah.
When you close the door, actually we close the door, he must running. But he no running.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now new motor change. The brand same. This place already changed. This motor, same brand, you see.
Okay.
The brand also same.
Okay.
So by right, this one close,
Yeah.
this one must running.
Yeah, correct.
Just now we close no running.
This one not running.
Now it's running. You see,
Yeah.
you see the
Yeah,
smoke,
yeah, I can
the
see,
smoke, the cold air smoke come out.
Yeah.
Then we open the door. You see,
Okay.
he will stop.
Yeah, correct.
He will stop. Then you close the door, he will running. Okay lah.
Okay.
So settle your problem.
Okay.
Thank you.